Today for the Bitcoin price, wow, Bitcoin continues his parabolic run here towards the upside. And guys, there is one specific chart out there which predicted all these highs, lows, but specifically these burn throughs as we can see them right here. And this specific chart is right now predicting for February this month that the price might have another burn through here to 12,000 US dollars by the end of February. We will show you all of that and also show you why this is in perfect alignment with the prediction Philip made, which we covered in two videos here, in this one and this one, which went completely insane with a total of 80,000 views. We will show you why this is in perfect alignment here with the 12,000 US dollar target he is targeting for the end of February. And we will also talk about a very, very bullish statistic, which you have probably not seen yet, here indicating that the institutions are right now stacking up on Bitcoin, that the institutions are right now extremely bullish on Bitcoin. Guys, you for sure do not want to miss out on these crazy price targets here for February 2020. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you smash up the like button to at least 1,500 likes right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. So first of all, before we go in this one Bitcoin chart, which perfectly predicted all the previous burn throughs here for the Bitcoin price, we want to remind you here on this specific forecast Philip made, which also held truth, and he predicted the all-time high, the bear market low, these local tops, and also this specific price movement here within the last few weeks. And before we do that, we want to remind you on something very important, guys. You know, we have been talking about that the YouTube algorithm is changing right now. And if you look at the statistics here on our channel, you can see that 62% of our viewers only are subscribers. 37.6% are not subscribers. If you count yourself to not being subscribed, you are a slave to the YouTube algorithm and they decide what you can see and what not. If you do not want to miss out on that, guys, make sure you go down here in the video, you click the like button and you subscribe to our channel by clicking this, hitting the bell and press all. Only in that case you can get our time-sensitive updates immediately when they are coming out. Make sure you do that right now. Thank you so much. And now, guys, you remember this coverage here we had about Philip. He actually predicted all of the bull market highs, the bear market lows, and so on. We won't repeat that. But right now you can see also that back in October, after the 50 and 100 MA cross, he predicted the price to go up. And also after we hit this curve here, that we will have a burn through approximately by the end of February. And guys, we want to tell you, this is in perfect alignment with a chart we are using day in and day out here on TradingView. And you can find it like this. Just type in Bitcoin log growth curves. And guys, you heard about that on our channel before, we talked about it. But the best thing about this chart is that not only it is predicting the highs, the lows, the accumulation, reaccumulation stages, and also here the local highs and the local lows. This one is also predicting the different retracements for Bitcoin, and very important, the burn throughs, because right now we just went above this specific Fibonacci retracement level. You know, Fibonacci retracement levels measure only the price levels, but this one here in the log growth charts, it's also accounting for the time which is passed, because these Fibonacci retracement levels, these lines here, they develop with the price action maturing. Because what you can see is that within these price levels, the Bitcoin price is stair-stepping its way up and down. I mean, guys, look at this. The last time we went to 14,000, we had a burn through here, and then we were just trapped within this Fibonacci retracement level. And after this perfect resistance here, we just burned through. And this specific level here, it works everywhere. I mean, also to the downside. After we went, this is 1, 2, 3. Through this third level here, we just burn through to the downside. And also here in bull markets, 1, 2, 3, you can see the price never was for a long time in this specific Fibonacci retracement area. You can see the same thing right now here happening for the Bitcoin price in 2015. We went down very heavily, but especially in bullish times here in 2013, we only were in for a few days, maybe 10 days. And right now we think this might go down again, specifically because of one technical event happening in February, and we are about to show you that. First of all, for your better understanding, we want to show you how this one is calculated. If you go on settings, you can watch it yourself on TradingView. You push settings, and then you can see that the third level is actually between the 14.6% Fibonacci retracement level and the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Afterwards, we reach the very, very important 38.2, but we can talk about that maybe at a later point of time. First of all, these two levels here are very, very important. So let's eliminate the ones below and above. So you can see the price is right now approaching this, and this would approximately also account by the end of February 12,100, 12,200, which is in perfect alignment with the price prediction you can see here from Philp by the 24th of February, maybe the end of February, of 12,000, 12,200 US dollars for the Bitcoin price. And guys, why is that happening? First of all, we told you that the 50 and 100 MA cross, which he predicted here, is very important. And yes, guys, we can tell you this one is very important. If we zoom out here and we enable this golden cross, you can see after we hit this golden cross perfectly, we actually had this massive pump here to the upside. It was very, very bullish, and guys, we can tell you Philp was right again here. But there's another golden cross which is gonna go down in February 2020, this month, and this golden cross, in our opinion, with one specific condition, is the most important and the most bullish one. If we were to go here and only change this one, of course you know this golden cross already, to the 200, we will see that the 250 golden cross is right now impending and about to go down by the end of February. Why this one is very important? Because guys, you remember we covered it on our channel. This one is also giving us false signals. You can see here in 2015 we had this bullish cross, but the price went down. The reason for that being is that one very, very important condition was not fulfilled. For the 50 and 200 golden cross to be bullish, we need one specific condition. This long-term moving average, this long-term 200-day moving average, when this one is still downward sloping, as you can see it right here, this is one indication that we are only in the end of a bear market and we haven't had an accumulation and reaccumulation stage, which is very important for a bull market to be ready and for the bear market to be mature. Because what we can see here, whenever this one is still downward sloping and we have these false signals here on the bullish cross, this is not a bullish signal. Same here in 2015, this one had a bullish cross, but this one was still downward sloping. But whenever the price went above here, with the long-term moving average being horizontal or upward sloping, this was a very bullish signal. And what happened afterwards, guys, of course you know it. We had one bullish cross here, but the price was still downward sloping. Well, guys, what happened afterwards? We peaked at 14,000, which was amazing, but we also had this massive significant bear market or bearish trend to the downside. And right now, this golden cross, which is impending, will happen most probably by the end of February if nothing crazy changes, and the long-term moving average will be finally upward sloping. And this is the most important thing for the 50 and 200-day golden cross to be bullish. This is very important, and we are extremely looking forward to this specific technical here to come into fruition and letting the Bitcoin price maybe here even going to 12,000 US dollars by the end of February. Here also looking at the Bitcoin local growth curves, this is a very, very important level. And of course, the next one would be the 38.2 on the log growth curves. Also very important before we go into crazy statistics here about institutions stacking up Bitcoin as if there was no tomorrow, we want to say thank you to you guys, because everyone recently has been smashing up the like button like crazy. I mean, guys, look at the previous video. This one was released just a few hours ago. 1,200 likes, 2,000 like, 1,800, 1,300. Guys, you are helping us a lot. We are really happy that you're appreciating that free content. So go down, smash up the like button. It helps a lot, guys, and we really appreciate every single like. So right now, guys, we want to show you one specific chart here indicating that the institutions are stacking up on Bitcoin. Big shout out here to Lawmaster, who was pointing that out on Twitter. And he actually said the GBTC currently holds 285,000 Bitcoin, which is an all-time high of 1.57%. It's also approximately only 30% of the Coinbase holdings. Look at this. This chart is actually going right now parabolic. And GBTC, I mean, I have relatives and friends who are trading on Wall Street. they are conservative investors, and also institutions are investing here in GBTC because this is a gateway on the Wall Street where they can buy Bitcoin, or right, of course, they are not holding themselves the Bitcoin in the wallet, but it is backed up here by custody. And this custody is right now going parabolic, 1.57%. Is that a lot, guys? We can tell you this is a lot. 17.5 million Bitcoin have not been moved for the last 6 months. We have been talking about that here on our MMCrypto Twitter channel. Go over on Twitter and check it out. We said 3 reasons to be bullish, and one of that is 17.5 million Bitcoin having not been moved for the last 6 months. And then add the custody here of the institutions, and this one going completely parabolic. Is that good or bad? Well, we don't want institutions to hold Bitcoin. We want retail investors, people like you and us, holding Bitcoin. Well, guys, you can do something about that because they can only go parabolic here in their custody wallets for the GBTC if you are selling your Bitcoin to them. If you are not selling your Bitcoin to them, they cannot steal it from you. Bitcoin is unconfiscatable. If you are not selling to them, this one will cease to go parabolic. Nevertheless, guys, this is more than not smart money. It's not only the retail investors right now stacking up on Bitcoin, the smarter retail investors which suffered through all this crazy bearish times here. No, it's also the institutions doing it right now. Let us know what you think about that, guys. And also let us know, do you want to know more about altcoins in the future episodes? Let us know in the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now. Click this poll and let us know yes or no. Do you want to know more about altcoins, and should we cover more altcoins? Because what you can see, guys, we made a call to action in the last DaVinci episode, and we told everyone to comment his favorite 2 altcoins in the comment section down below and upvote each other altcoins. And right now we are writing that down, guys. We are already writing down the next altcoins where we have to make TA. So go down right now in the comment section and leave your 2 favorite altcoins. And if you see your favorite altcoin somewhere else, just upvote the comments, because only the upvoted comments will get a lot of attention from us. You can see here 66 upvotes for Chainlink and Cardano. Look at this, go down and comment your 2 favorite altcoins right now, and we will make TA in the future episodes with DaVinci J15 and also without him. Also, guys, very important, these crazy market situation, I mean, heavy gains are made right now, especially from the bulls. They bring you extremely good opportunities, but also extremely high risk. If you are willing to take the risk, and if you are an experienced trader, you know that we have one favorite exchange out there, which is not only, in our opinion, the most reliable one and one of the most liquid ones, it is also giving us right now here a $90 free bonus. If you are an experienced trader, go down to the pinned comment, click this specific link here, and you can get $90 completely for free within 24 seconds just by putting in your email address here, your password, and after following very easy to understand deposit instructions, you can get $90 completely for free for a completely free trade here on Bybit. So if you're using that, thank you so much. It's an affiliate link. You know we are not accepting any donations. We are not really doing sponsorships for a month now. So yeah, by doing that, you support us and you can get $90 for free. Make sure you do that right now. Smash up the like button. It's heavily appreciated. And also let us know in the comment section if you think that a $12,000 price target for February is realistic or not. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.